Kahoolawe is a place that holds a mirror up to you, and it shows you exactly who you are and who you can be if you're brave enough to challenge yourself to be that. Olelo Hawaii and the whole movement with Punana Leo and the Kulakai schools in regaining our language. That's a major pillar, a foundation. Hōkūleʻa was another major pillar in the Renaissance. And then the last one was Kahoʻolawe. It was a fight against the government, the U.S. Navy, to stop the bombing on Kahoʻolawe. And through that, I think what came out of that for the Hawaiian people and why Kahoʻolawe is such a pillar of the Renaissance is this resurgence of this idea of aloha ʻāina, of reconnecting and loving the land in a different way than before, right? And it's not just take care of the land or stewarding of the land. It's being the guardians for the land, being the voice of the land, and putting a stop to things that disrespect and abuse our ʻāina. This whole area is Kealaikahiki, and then the channel behind me is also Kealaikahiki, right? Keala Kahiki, right? The pathway to Tahiti, or a far off place, right? The stories of Kealaikahiki is this is where some of our kupuna came to learn stars, to learn how to navigate. There's also old stories and legends about this place, like when Kane and Kanaloa first came to Hawaii, right? They landed at Kealaikahiki, and they was in search of ava, or in search of vai, so that they could make their ava, right? Other of our kupuna, they would leave from here to go back to Tahiti, and there's stories about that. 20 years ago, the Protect Kahoʻolawe ʻOhana was celebrating the end of the cleanup, the transfer of the island to the state to be held in trust for the Hawaiian people. So the PKO are the stewards of the land. They're the kahuʻāina. Now there's an emphasis on restoration of sites, of trails, of plants and landscape, of cultural activities and practices. But again, always through the lens of being the steward of the land.
First polarities, with those couple half moons of sand, we can plant in that open area, that pockets. So this is to help stabilize the beach, reintroduce a native species to the area. We have 500 plants to put in. It's to stabilize the dune, hopefully restore the wetland we have in that area. So when we get the rains, the seasonal rains, we can help hold that water longer, and hopefully calling back seabirds and everything. And I don't know if you guys heard, but we had recently a turtle nesting, our very first confirmed turtle nest here. So we're hoping that it's the natives calling the natives back, right? And that whole, kind of a symbolism of rebirth and regrowth to the island.
Huh?
You talk to him.
Yeah, I told them to grow. Get ready for those baby honus.
The barrier or the walls that are up in downtown Honolulu, right, aren't here. It's much easier to connect to the ʻāina when you don't have to, or you're not distracted or encumbered by layers of concrete to get to the ʻāina. That's kind of different too. It's you're much more close. You depend on each other more because out here, this is all you got.
The land, the ocean, the bar, your family. This is part of Kahua, the foundation we stand upon. and how this foundation will spread and lele. And a kahua will be set because of each and every one of you. And here is an opportunity to participate when you are ready and open to understand, experience Kealaikahiki face to face, hands on, and be sovereign with your promise and commitment as a kanaka maoli, even a hanai, on what the island shares, the va'a and the moana kanaloa that is free. You can never buy and sell, you can never own, but only care and share.
Just can't help but admire what a beautiful sight it is to see the canoes tied up in Honokona'a. It's not the first time the canoes are here, but every time the canoes come to Kahoolawe, there's like a reaffirmation or a confirmation that all the years of hard work that the Protect Kahoʻolawe ʻOhana has put in, all the years of hard work and the many miles that has been sailed by the various va'a organizations, like all of that is, paying off to see va'a here on Kahoolawe.